Hey, to adjust the notifications on Threads, first you have to click on the right bottom corner and then tap on the two lines above your profile picture. Next, go to the notifications and quickly you can pause all of them or unpause by tapping on the switcher. When you turn it on, you can actually pick between 15 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 8 hours, or simply cancel. Next, you've got option for the threads and the replies, and you've got option for likes, mentions, reposts, and other options. So if you want to, for example, turn off the notifications from likes, just click off. Next, you've got also for options for the following and the followers. So if you want to get rid of the new followers notifications, click off here. That's how you can adjust the options. And the last one from threads, you have open it and then you've got, for example, the follow suggestions or reminders. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.